So this is question number 4 from the final. So this is my servo motor. So right now it's a 90 degree as this LCD screen is displaying. So I'm gonna rotate this servo motor 90 degree will be 80 degree here. It will be 0 degree here. And the LCD will display the angle, and I'm gonna control it with the joystick. So this is a demonstration how that works. This is 180. If I go all the way there, 180. That's 90 degree. That's 0. 180 degree. So this is the demonstration how the joystick can control the servo motor using LCD and a joystick servo motor. This is my setup for, and this is my coding. This is how I define my joystick with the X value, and this is my loop. Thank you.